So I have partnered with St. Jude Children's Research Hospital and JoAnn's to help fundraise towards the fight of incurable childhood diseases at no cost to the patients and their families. St. Jude Research Hospital, again in conjunction with JoAnn's, sent me this amazing fabric to get creative and just make something. My first reaction to the fabric was like, oh my gosh, this is so fancy. This is so cool. And then I went on to read the card that was sent with the fabric. It went downhill from here because as soon as I read the card and saw what the picture actually was, I just broke down because I can't even imagine what those kids go through at the hospital and even just their families. I have my toddler here. It's hard for us when he is sick at home, but imagine the fight that these kids at St. Jude have to go through day in and day out. Please consider partnering with me so that we can raise money towards the fight against these incurable diseases and help families not receive a bill. Hey buddy, what's this?
That's the superhero.
It's a superhero.
Fireman.
Oh, yes. It looks like a fireman. Does it? Yes. You know this is the fever fighter. Can you...
Fever fighter.
Fever fighter. Fever fighter superhero. Yes, and he helps you when you have a temperature. High temperature. He comes and helps you. Does Tabo get temperature? Yes, and then mommy has to put the thermometer in your ear. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want us to make with the superhero fabric? A shirt for mommy. That's gonna look nice. And Tabo will say, Mommy, you look nice. Yeah? Uh-huh. And a teddy bear for Tabo. You want a teddy bear?
A teddy bear.
Yeah. Do you want a shirt? Want me to make a shirt for you? Yeah. Yeah. All right. So tell the people bye. Keep watching and make sure that you give St. Jude some money so that you can help the families there. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Make sure you donate, please, and thank you. We appreciate you. Keep watching to see what we make with our fabric.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye over there. Bye. Too silly. Yeah. All right.